Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to deactivate Facebook account in 2023. Let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook app. And after that, go to Profile on the top right. From here, what you need to do is scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, you need to tap on Settings. Once you're in here, you need to tap on See More in Account Center. After that, you need to scroll down again and tap on Personal Details. From the next page, what you need to do is tap on Account Ownership and Control. Here you will get to see the option for deactivation or deletion. Tap on it. Now, tap on the account you want to deactivate. And after that, choose if you want to deactivate your account or delete it. So for this video, we'll go with deactivate and tap on continue. So on the next page, read through the information provided here. And then tap on continue. After that, put in the password for your account you want to deactivate. Once you're done, tap on continue. And next, you will need to select a reason for your deactivation. Here, just choose whichever you want. I'll go with the first one. Then tap on Continue. On the next page, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see an option for reactivating your account. Tap on the number of days and choose when you want your account to be automatically reactivated. And after that, just tap on Continue. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.